If you've visited Providence, Rhode Island, you may have wondered, what is this big metal bridge sticking up towards the sky? This metal structure is known as the Crook Point Bascule Bridge, or more commonly known to locals as the Stuck-Up Bridge. Bascule bridges use counterweights to raise and lower the bridge to allow greater clearance so that large ships can pass through. Its history dates back to the early 1900s when the New York, New Haven, and Hartford Railroad wanted to build a more direct connection to Providence's Union Station, Bristol, Rhode Island, and Fall River, Massachusetts. This was known as the East Side Railroad Tunnel Project. From Union Station, the tracks would enter what is known as the East Side Railroad Tunnel through the West Portal and exit out the East Portal. The tunnel began construction in 1906 and saw its first train on November 15, 1908. The tunnel featured dual tracks which spanned a length of 5,080 feet under the city. Exiting the East Portal, the tracks would cross the Crook Point Bascule Bridge over the Seekonk River, where the tracks would split for Bristol and Fall River. The bridge opened in 1908 and carried both freight and passenger trains. Passenger service on this line ended in 1937, and freight service would continue until 1981. Both the tunnel and bridge have been abandoned since, with the bridge locked in its upright position. Thank you for watching this episode of the Reveal Our Eye video series brought to you by NovaPro Media. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. We'll see you soon.